Hi children, today we're going to read a Peppa Pig book called Peppa's Swimming Lesson. It's a lift the flat book. Subscribe to my channel, press that button below and follow me. You'll find even more Peppa Pig books in my collection. I also have Hey Duggy books, Bluey books, Coco Melon books. I've got so many books in my collection, it's the biggest collection in the world. So do subscribe, do follow, and also check out my other videos later. For now, we're going to read Peppa's Swimming Lesson. Today, Peppa and her friends are having a swimming lesson in the little pool. Miss Rabbit is in charge. Has everyone got a float? She asks. Yes, cheers the children. The floats are like spaghetti, says Peppa. Wriggle, wriggle. Tuck your float under your arms. Kick your legs and swim about, says Miss Rabbit. Shall we have a look? Ooh. I love swimming, says Freddy Fox. I love swimming too, says Molly Mole. Rebecca Rabbit and her mummy arrive at the pool. Rebecca grabs her float and jumps right in. Let's have a look. Look at me swim, Mummy, she says. That looks like so much fun, says Mummy Rabbit. I wish I could swim too. Splash. Well, sister, says Miss Rabbit, I think it's time for a swimming lesson. You can join in with us, says Mandy Mouse. Okay, I'll just change into my swimming costume, says Mummy Rabbit. Ta-da! Mummy Rabbit has a go. She likes swimming with the float, but let's open this. What does it say? She does not like it when her face gets wet. Uh-oh. I didn't like it before, says Gerald Giraffe, but now I can swim with my face in the water. Let's have a look. Amazing, says Mummy Rabbit, but I really don't think I can do that. Let's all show Mummy Rabbit how to swim with our faces in the water, says Miss Rabbit. First you lean forward and just put your chin a little bit in the water, says Gerald. That feels fine, says Mummy Rabbit. Now it's nearly time for bubbles, says Peppa. Bubbles! Wow, we blow bubbles and swim along at the same time, says Mandy. I'm doing it, says Mummy Rabbit. Well done, says Miss Rabbit. You've all done so well today. Now you can play on the inflatables. Splash! Woohoo! Hooray! Mummy Rabbit loves swimming lessons. Everyone loves swimming lessons. The end. Hope you enjoyed that. That was Peppa Pig, Peppa's Swimming Lessons. Subscribe to my channel. Press that button below and follow me. We'll find even more Peppa Pig books in my collection. I've also got Hey Duggy books, Bluey books, Lift the Flat books, Pop-Up books, Touch and Feel books. Biggest collection in the world, so do subscribe and check out my other videos. Bye-bye for now.